Hello everyone, this is MAMTA MUND and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 15 of exercise 3D of chapter 3. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve exercise 3D questions 1 to 15 of chapter name is Playing with Numbers and topics are test for divisibility, prime factorization and finding prime factors. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 7th bit. 8370. We have to check the number 8370 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 or not. First we will check the number 8370 is divisible by 2 or not. So divisibility of 2. We know any number is divisible by 2 if the last digit, that is the unit place digit, is even number. Here unit place digit is 0 and 0 is divisible by 2. So 8370 is divisible by 2. Now we will check the number 8370 is divisible by 3 or not. We know any number divisibility of 3. We know any number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit, that is the digit sum of the number, is divisible by 3. Here digit sum, that is sum of digits of 8370 is 8 plus 3, 7 plus 0 and 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18 and 18 is divisible by 3. So 8370 is divisible by 3. So the number 8370 is divisible by 3. Now we will check the number 8370 is divisible by 4 or not. Divisibility of 4. We know any number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit is divisible by 4. Here the last two digit of the number 8370 is 70 and 70 we have to divide 70 with 4. 4 1 are 4, 3, 4 7 are 28. Remainder is 2. So 70 is not divisible by 4. So 8370 is not divisible by 4. Now we'll check the number 8370 is divisible by 5 or not. Divisibility of 5. We know any number is divisible by 5 if the last digit, that is the unit place digit, is either 0 or 5. Here last digit of the number 8370 is 0 and 0 is divisible by 5. So 8370 is divisible by 5. Now we will check the number 8370 is divisible by 6 or not. Divisibility of 6. We know 6 is the product of 2 and 3. 6 is 2 multiplied with 3. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. First we will check the number is divisible by 2 or not. Here last digits, that is the unit place digit of the number 8370 is 0, and 0 is divisible by 2. So 8370 is divisible by 2. Now we will check the number 8370 is divisible by 3 or not. Here digit sum of the number 8370 is digit sum of 8370 is 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 0 is 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. So this number 8370 is divisible by 3. Now this number 8370 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Eight thousand three hundred seventy is divisible by 2 because the last digit is 0, which is divisible by 2, and the sum of digit, that is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. So 8370 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So 8370 is divisible by 6. Now the number 8370 is divisible by 6. Now we'll check the number 8370 is divisible by 8 or not. Here last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Here last 3 digit of the number is 370, and 370 is divisible by 8 or not, we have to check it. First divide 370 with 8. 8 4 ja 32, this is 5 50, 8 6 ja 48, and remainder is 2, which is not equal to 0. So this number 370 is not divisible by 8. So 370 is not divisible by 8. So the number 8370 is not divisible by 8. Now we'll check the number 8370 is divisible by 9 or not. Now if the number is divisible by 9, if the digit sum, that is sum of digit of the number, sum of digits of 8370 is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So 8370 is divisible by 9. So the number 8370 is divisible by 9. Now we'll check the number 8370 is divisible by 10 or not. Divisibility of 10. We know 10 is the product of 2 and 5. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 5, then the number is divisible by 10. First we will check the number 8370 is divisible by 2 or not. Here last digit is 0. 0 is divisible by 2. So 8370 is divisible by 2. Now we'll check the number 8370 is divisible by 5 or not. Here last digit is 0. 0 is divisible by 5. So 8370 is divisible by 5. Here the number 8370 is divisible by both 2 and 5. Eight thousand three hundred seventy is divisible by both 2 and 5. So this number 8370 is divisible by 10. So 8370 is divisible by 10. Now we will check the number 8370 is divisible by 11 or not. Now if the number is divisible by 11, if the sum of the digits at the odd place and the sum of the digits at even place differ by 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Here sum of digits at odd place is 8 plus 7 minus, and sum of the digits at even place is 3 plus 0. 8 plus 7 is 15 and 3 plus 0 is 3. 15 minus 3 is 12 and 12 is not divisible by 11. So this number 8370 is not divisible by 11. So the number 8370 is not divisible by 11. Now we found that the number 8370 is divisible by 2 because the last digit is 0, which is divisible by 2, and this number 8370 is divisible by 3 because the sum of digits, that is 8 plus 3 plus 7 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. Now the number 8370 is divisible by 4 or not. Here the last two digits 70 is not divisible by 4, so this number is not divisible by 4. And the number is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0, which is divisible by 5, so this number is divisible by 5. Now the number is divisible by 2 because the last digit is 0, which is divisible by 2, and the sum of digit is 18, which is divisible by 3. Both this number 8370 is divisible by both 2 and 3, so this number is divisible by 6 because the 6 is the product of 2 and 3. Now the number 370, last three digit of the number 8370 is 370, and 370 is not divisible by 8. So this number 8370 is not divisible by 8. Now sum of digit of the number is 18, which is divisible by 9. So this number 8370 is divisible by 9. Now the number is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0, which is divisible by 2, and the digit 0 is divisible by 5 also. So this number 8370 is divisible by both 2 and 5, and 10 is the product of 2 and 5, so the number is divisible by 10. Now the sum of digits at odd place is 8 plus 7 is 15, and sum of the digit at even place is 3 plus 0, which is 3, and 15 minus 3 is 12, which is not divisible by 11. So this number 8370 is not divisible by 11. Now we found that the number 8370 is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. But this number is not divisible by 4, 8 and 11. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.